what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Meech back. There you go. Yo, what's good? It's your boy Meech Straight back with another video. You feel me? Today we back. It's October 10th. November 10th. And yeah, y'all know what the deal is, so there ain't really much to say. You feel me? We gonna get straight to it. It's 9:31. There we go. You already know how everything goes. Apparently there's this little thing. This little trading joint that they got going on, whatever the case may be. So I'm a part of it just to try and enter in a little contest. So while we gonna be, you feel me? But yeah, they going for the within 1 hour. So you already know we wait for the first 5 minutes. We can wait for the first five. You already know we already gotta set my parameters, whatever the case you want to call it. But yeah. Gosh, I'll sit down, let that cook up itself, or whatever you wanna call it. Forgot to turn on my mic, but actually I can see what I did. Waited for that break and retest. Now we just gonna hope. You feel me? It keeps going up. The box isn't really as big as what I expected, so it's not really much, but it's still 2R multiple within that range. So as long as it's a 2R multiple, you feel me? We done did what we had to do, and that's that. That's all that really matters. I'm not really looking for this for, like I keep on telling y'all, the bread. I'm not this not about the bread. This about, you feel me, if I can how many times I can really find my zone, you feel me? found my zone, found my strategy that just keeps on consistently happening. If I can consistently be able to peep out my strat and it works, that's all that really matters for us. But we're gonna sit here, be patient. We're gonna lock in and see what we got in store for ourselves. For sure. I would say I don't really know because that was acting up is right at the line, so I can't really even close out on that. It's right on the line. If I'm being quite frankly honest with you, I just need to close past the line. We're not gonna rush it though. We're not rushing it at all. Take our time with it. We closed. We closed, baby. So boom. On my standpoint over here, you feel me? We did what we had to do. We closed in for our 2 hour multiple on, you feel me, my end. That's a quick little $938. Cool. Um for this, we're gonna close out differently when we get to this mark. I'm trying to see something. As for this, we're done for the day. We done made it cool. Little $900. We getting there. Snatch that. Are we good? We good. Hey, we good. We good. That's crazy. All at 959. Both trades were successes by the man above. You feel me? We seen, yes, Lord. Whoop. Retested back in the zone. You feel me? I just entered in. It was having me scared, thinking it was gonna break that. Thank God it didn't break that. And we went up. You feel me? I went for my nice little 2 hour multiple. It wasn't nothing crazy. You feel me? Every day it's not meant to be crazy. Risk management. Risk management. We stuck with our 2 hour multiple, and boom. In reality, like this too, I could have took it to the higher day. So far, of what I've seen so far, the higher day, I could have took it there. Did I want to? No. We gotta stick with a strat. I'm trading with the little paper trading, the little test joint. That's smooth. You feel me? That's smooth. That's smooth. But yeah, great day. Great day. Great day, man. I'm gonna catch y'all later though. Have a good one. Bless. Stay blessed.